My name is Rachel Robertson. I'm the General Manager, Health, Safety and Environment for Downer Transport. We decided to move to New Zealand mainly because we were looking for a bit of a change. It was the right time to look for new jobs. We've been here on holiday a couple of times, absolutely loved it. So we thought, yep, we'll give it a go. We thought we'd come for 5 years max, and 16 years and 2 kids later, we're still here and we love it. What I enjoy about working for Downer is definitely the people. There's a great bunch of people here. I went away for a few years, came back after having children. Lots of those same people still around, which I think speaks volumes for the type of business this is. People do stay, and lots of great new people coming in as well. So great to have those relationships that have tested over time. But also I've had the opportunity to travel all around New Zealand with Downer. So I've seen all sorts of little dusty corners you wouldn't otherwise see, which is fantastic. I love getting out into the regions. We're a fully operational business, and also the opportunity. So I've had the opportunity to try lots of different roles, which I wouldn't necessarily put my hand up for. I wouldn't have thought I could do, but I've been encouraged all the way to give things a try, and that's been really great for me personally as well. So what I like most about living in New Zealand is there's a real outdoors culture. So getting out into the great outdoors and the weather. So I come from the far north of Scotland, so the weather here is fabulous. Haggis or beef sausages? Well, if I had to pick one, it'd have to be haggis, because I don't really like beef sausages. Braveheart or Whale Rider? Whale Rider, definitely. Highland Games or rugby games? Highland Games, every time.